Ever feel like everyone else has the adulting manual, but you missed that class? You're not alone. Many of us navigate adulthood feeling unprepared. School taught us complex equations and historical dates, but it rarely covered the real-world skills we desperately need. Things like managing finances, energy, or even our own emotions. It often feels like we're all just pretending to know what we're doing. The truth is, many of us are, but some learn faster. Today, we're sharing 5 essential life skills school never taught you. These practical tips can make adulting feel a lot less daunting. First up, money awareness. It's not about budgeting perfectly, it's about understanding where your money actually goes. For 1 week, track every single dollar you spend. Don't judge your habits, just observe them. You'll be surprised by what you discover about your spending patterns. This awareness is the first step to taking control. Next, energy management. We all have limited energy. What activities truly energize you? What drains you? Identify your energy boosters, maybe it's exercise, hobbies, or quiet time. And recognize your energy vampires, endless meetings, social media scrolling. Consciously schedule more of what energizes you, and find ways to minimize or delegate what drains you. Third, the weekly reset routine. Dedicate a few hours each week, perhaps Sunday morning, to reset for the week ahead. This could involve light cleaning, meal prepping, and planning. Review your finances, check your calendar, and set priorities. A structured reset reduces anxiety and boosts productivity. Fourth, emotional boundaries. Learning to say no is powerful. It's not rude. It's an act of self-respect and self-preservation. Define what you're comfortable with in relationships and work. Communicate these limits clearly and calmly. Protect your time and energy by honoring your boundaries. Finally, remember, slow progress is still progress. Adulting isn't a race. It's a marathon of small, consistent steps. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow growth. Every small effort compounds over time, leading to significant change. Celebrate tiny victories and be patient with yourself. You're not behind. Everyone's journey is unique. Small improvements, consistently applied, create lasting impact. Keep going, keep learning, and keep growing. Adulting is hard, but you're capable of mastering it. These skills aren't taught in school, but they're essential for a fulfilling life. Embrace the journey and remember to be kind to yourself. If you found these tips helpful, like this video and subscribe. Follow for more 5-minute survival guides that make adult life simpler.